Welcome to Unique Auto Hunter. Here I found another unique car for you. The Ferrari California T, Type 149M, is an updated design of the California model featuring new sheet metal and revised body features, a new interior, a revised chassis and a new turbocharged powertrain. It debuted in 2014 for the 2015 model year, first unveiled on the web on February 12, 2014. Subsequently, the car debuted at the Geneva Motor Show, March 6 to 16, 2014. The T in the moniker stands for turbo, a technology Ferrari last used on the F40 road car. The car utilizes a new 3,855 cubic centimeters, 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces 412 kilowatt 553 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and 755 Nm, 557 torque at 4,750 RPM, as well as a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission with different gear ratios, a revised Magnarite adaptive suspension, as well as a new F1 track system. The car can accelerate from 0 to 100 km or 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds and attain a top speed of 315 km or 196 mph. The car also features a new front fascia that was influenced by the F12, a revised rear section and a revised interior. The revised rear end replaced the two sets of two vertically stacked exhaust pipes with four horizontally aligned pipes. Another improvement to the car is the reduction of emission pollution by 15% compared to its naturally aspirated predecessor. The car also utilizes small turbochargers and a variable boost management system to reduce turbo lag. It is also the first Ferrari road car debuting the new Apple CarPlay functionality into its built-in infotainment system. Apple confirmed at the launch of the Geneva Motor Show that Ferrari, Mercedes-Benz, and Volvo would be among the first car manufacturers to bring CarPlay-compatible models to the market. Please subscribe and support this channel to go out and find unique cars for you so you can watch and learn about them.